Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Researchers tracked Lac-Phe before and after exercise. This one is quick. Read the table trend, then match the choice that states it correctly. Start with the key comparison in Table 1. Find when Lac-Phe is greatest. The peak is not at rest or later after recovery. It is highest immediately after exercise. Next, follow the values across later time points after that peak. They move downward over time, so exercise causes an immediate spike, then the concentration gradually decreases afterward. That pattern matches only one statement. Lac-Phe is highest right after exercise and then drops over time, which points straight to option D. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap, do not rush signs or trends. Rule, trust the given table and check each statement carefully.